Shalom. Today I am going to tell you about the benefits and properties of cloves. Cloves are the aromatic flower buds of a tree in the family Myrtaceous. They are native to Maluku Islands or Moluccas in Indonesia and are commonly used as a spice, flavoring, or fragrance in consumer products such as toothpaste, soaps, or cosmetics. Cloves are available throughout the year owing to different harvest seasons across various countries. The clove tree is an evergreen tree that grows up to 8 to 12 meters tall with large leaves and crimson flowers grouped in terminal clusters. The flower buds initially have a pale hue, gradually turn green, then transition to a bright red when ready for harvest. Cloves are harvested at 1.5 to 2 centimeters long and consist of a long calyx that terminates in 4 spreading sepals and 4 unopened petals that form a small central ball. Clove stalks are slender stems of the inflorescent axis that show opposite decussate branching. Externally, they are brownish, rough, and irregularly wrinkled longitudinally with short fracture and dry woody texture. Mother cloves are the ripe fruits of cloves that are ovoid, brown berries, unilocular, and one-seeded. Blown cloves are expanded flowers from which both corolla and stamens have been detached. Exhausted cloves have most or all the oil removed by distillation. They yield no oil and are darker in color. Clove essential oil may be used to inhibit mold growth on various types of foods. In addition to these non-culinary uses of clove, it can be used to protect wood in a system for cultural heritage conservation and show the efficacy of clove essential oil to be higher than a boron-based wood preservative. Cloves are thought to have some anti-inflammatory properties and have been promoted to help with toothache, dental pain, plaque buildup, hangover, indigestion, and more. There is very little evidence to support taking more cloves than what someone would normally consume with their food. There are 8 impressive health benefits of eating cloves. Contain important nutrients, high in antioxidants, can kill bacteria, may help protect against cancer, may improve liver health, may promote bone health, may help regulate blood sugar, may reduce stomach ulcers, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic properties of spice plants. Cloves in particular have attracted the attention due to the potent antioxidant and antimicrobial activities standing out among other spices. Apart from Indonesia and India, cloves are also native to Pakistan and certain areas of East Africa. They offer many health benefits like aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, and controlling diabetes. Clove oil has the property of deepen and pachan, appetizer and digestive, due to which helps to improve your digestion. It can be used as a mouthwash to treat bad breath. Cloves contain a plethora of compounds with potent antioxidant properties, namely vitamin C, vitamin E, eugenol, flavonoids, gallic acid, which eliminate harmful free radicals from the body. Some people also use the dried flower buds and the leaves, stems, and oil from clove trees to promote healing. Cloves are a popular herb therapy among people who use traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine. The spice comes from an evergreen tree that grows in East African and Southeast Asian countries. Cloves contain a good mix of vitamins and minerals including potassium, iron, calcium, and vitamin A, that is beta-carotene. Even small amounts of clove oil can cause severe side effects such as seizures, liver damage, and fluid imbalances, bleeding disorders. Clove oil contains a chemical called eugenol that seems to slow blood clotting. Taking clove oil might cause bleeding in people with bleeding disorders. Dried cloves are a key ingredient in Indian masala chai tea and a part of many spice blends, including Chinese 5-spice, Indian garam masala, and pumpkin pie spice. Cloves are an ingredient in Vietnamese in Western cuisines. Cloves are used to stud baked hams, as a pickling spice, and in mulled wine. Kanyakumari clove that has been awarded the geographical indication, that is GI tag, is known for its unique qualities like high concentration of volatile oil content and aroma. Zanzibar is the country which is known as the island of cloves. It is situated in East Africa. As the island produces cloves, it is known as the island of cloves. Cloves should be dried about 4 to 5 days. The cloves should be racked and turned frequently to ensure they develop an even brown color. The color of buds changes from pale russet to a darker brown as the clove dries. The drying process takes about 4 to 5 days. The islands of Zanzibar, Pemba, now part of Tanzania, and Indonesia are the major producers of clove in the world. In India, clove is mostly grown in the hilly tracts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Consuming cloves regularly on an empty stomach helps reduce migraines and headaches. It can also be consumed in a powder form, mixed with a pinch of rock salt in a glass of warm milk. The top exporters of cloves are Singapore, Tanzania, Sri Lanka, India, Brazil. Clove is a small-sized spice but has numerous health benefits. The spice provides many nutrients that help in controlling sugar, reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, improve bone, liver and gastric health, reduce pain, reduce risk of heart disease and cancer, and it's also good for oral health. Laung, also known as clove, is a popular spice used in various cuisines and for its medicinal properties. The spice is dried from the dried flower buds of the clove tree and has a strong and pungent flavor. Cloves are used in cuisines of African, Mediterranean, Asian and the Near and Middle East countries, lending flavor to meats, curries and marinades as well as fruits. Cloves can be used to give aromatic and flavor qualities to hot beverages, often combined with other ingredients such as lemon and sugar. They are a common element in spice blends, besides cinnamon, cardamom and star anise, for example. In Mexican cuisine, cloves are best known as clavos de olor and often accompany cumin and cinnamon. They are also used in Peruvian cuisines in a variety of dishes. It is often added to betel quid to enhance aroma while chewed. The spice is used in a type of cigarette. In Indonesia, clove cigarettes were smoked throughout Europe, Asia and the United States. Clove cigarettes are currently classified in the United States as cigars, the result of a ban of flavored cigarettes in September 2009. Clove essential oil may be used to inhibit mold growth on various types of food. It can be used to protect wood in a system for cultural heritage conservation and showed the efficacy of clove essential oil to be higher than a boron-based wood preservative. Cloves can be used to make a fragrant pomander when combined with an orange. When given as a gift in Victorian England, such as pomade indicated warmth of feeling. It has potential medicinal uses and adverse effects. Cloves are used as traditional medicine and as the essential oil which is used as a anodyne mainly for dental emergencies and other disorders. So clove is a tradition first traded by the Austronesian people in the Austronesian Maritime Trade Network, which began at around 1500 BC, later becoming the Maritime Silk Road and part of spice trade. The first notable example of modern clove farming developed on the east coast of Madagascar and is cultivated in 3 separate ways: a monoculture, agricultural parklands and agroforestry systems. So cloves were present in records in China, Sri Lanka, southern India, Persia and Oman by around the 3rd century to 2nd century BC. During colonial era, cloves were traded like oil with an enforced limit on exportation. So, Eugenie oil comprises 72 to 90% of the essential oil extracted from cloves and is the compound most responsible for clove aroma. Complete extraction occurs at 80 minutes in a pressurized water at 125 degrees Celsius. Ultrasound assisted and microwave assisted extraction methods provided more rapid extraction rates with low energy cost. Clove oil include eugenol, beta-carotene, vanillin, cartigino acid, tannins such as bicomin. So although clove oil, eugenol has not been classified as potential toxicity, which can be shown to test organisms in concentration of 50, 75 and 100 mg per liter. Laung is also used as a popular spice in India and it's called Laung or clove. It is used for medicinal properties and cuisines. It helps to provide many nutrients that help in controlling sugar, reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, improve bone and liver and gastric health. So these are the health benefits of clove. Bye.